challenger. For today, ang gagawin namin ay
Yan.
perfect!
So we have C2
Citrus.
with lachas.
Huwag nyo i-mind tong citrus and then the lachos. So, kumain na tayo dahil ito ay
Bago
isang
spot namin.
mukbang.
Okay.
Isa neto ay 7 pesos. So, ang laman niya ay 8 pieces.
Gluten lacha.
1, 2,
Kakayahin ba to?
6, 7, 8.
Ma-juicy siya.
So, bago background namin, di ba?
Mabango siya. Tapos, ang ending is
Kaya may sito kami.
dapat milk. Let's go! Okay.
May milk ako. Kaso,
Trivia muna. Ano ang
Okay.
ibig sabihin ng latchaw?
walang may sabihin.
Wala lang. Saan originated na country?
Cut yung cut. Wait lang, cut.
Ayan na,
cut,
guys.
Cut.
Huwag mo na ikat. Okay na yan. Kuha ka water natin.
Water.
Baso.
Okay, I'm back.
Mas lalong nabagsak. Get our water! Water, mommy.
Oh my God, my lunch.
Kitayin kita. Hindi ko muna. Get a cup. This is so good.
Hi guys, hindi na naman nakainom ng gamot.
Healthy guys, healthy.
Okay, this is my cup.
Dapat water. Here's our water.
Maglagay na tayo in case maangangan yung water. Dito na kami lagi. Okay, let's off. Dito tayo lagi. Ang pangit na naman.
Okay.
Like, we gotta try something.
I'm
Let's
so
go.
excited but curious too. Spicy. Skibidi. Look at that. It's so good! Wait,
So good.
hold on. I don't like spicy.
So good.
Still spicy!
I love spicy.
I'm gonna try the C2. I did well.
It's actually so good.
It's not working. But at least it's good. Worth $7. Look at that. It's so smooth. Ouch.
I love it.
I'm loving it.
You know that I love chicken nuggets. Oh no. We gotta cut that part.
Why?
You cut that part.
Why?
Just cut it.
Look at that, guys. Let me try to swirl it.
Ooh. Over there.
Also, we made the new intro. Under that.
At the start, you can see it.
Ah!
Just over there.
It's so spicy.
So good.
But at least it's worth $7.
$7 daw.
I don't even eat half.
Baon tayo na ito sa Baguio.
Yeah. Lagay doon. Baka aangking lahat ng kilig.
Okay. Hindi, hindi natin nalagay doon.
Tapos, hihingi sila ng George.
Babaan ako dalawa.
Ako isa lang.
Dalawa na. Mamigay tayo. Dami tayo.
Mahilig ba si Darcy?
Hindi pa siya nakaka-apply na. Let's try the C2.
Wow, look at that. It's
The
just
sky
good.
is so pretty. Look.
It's not even that.
Okay, if you don't like it, then you don't like it. I like it.
I hate it.
Sige, andun si Jesus sa taas.
Okay, sorry na. Like sugar, Anna. The pie is so sweet, sweet, sweet. That makes me count. Relax, show. It's gonna fall.
She's in a slip and slide.
Huh?
Slip and slide.
Bawa, ang titindog na lang.
Maganda sa Arizona eh. Maganda yung sky.
Naglalaway na ako.
Sa Arizona, maganda. Maganda yung sky.
Alam.
Yung sky sa Arizona.
Stop looking at the sky and just eat.
It's fun to look at the sky. So, we're gonna do the poisonous candy at the Baguio if we have time.
And we have extra time.
If we
Oh,
didn't,
no.
if we're not gonna sleep in the car, we're gonna do the poison challenge in the car.
Huh?
In the car.
But it's so...
Hindi daddy ko mag-drive.
Sino?
Ibang car.
It's gonna kidnap. It's so spicy na eh. Sa'yo na lang ito.
Dahan-dahan lang kasi, wag mo subo lahat. Kagat-kagat lang.
Sa'yo na to, tiyan na.
To our chat. Here's the chat.
No, that's fake. It's AI. This is the real one.
She literally agreed. This is our chat. That's our chat. She thinks of that.
Don't mind the wallpaper, guys. I know it's ugly.
It's so
I even... OMG. Look at that.
this is too.
It's too spicy.
Next time we'll upgrade the lunch house.
Libra.
Yung sa TikTok,
What's that?
hindi mo nagustuhan.
Oh, yung malaking.
Kanina naglalaro kami badminton. She's so overreacting. Like, for her score,
Oh no! I forgot.
what?
Say it in the cards. You can do this.
Ano yun?
Wait, cut. Cut to. Oh, wow.
Can you?
It's so spicy.
Ayoko na. Isa lang kakainin ko. Ito lang nakain.
Bigyan na lang natin na.
Okay? Ito lang. Hindi niya pa nga nakakain. Araw-araw. Ay, huwag baka magka-UTI siya. Magkaka-UTI si Kuya Bunny. Later, we're gonna play badminton again.
Bleh! Yeah, look at my hands.
Ubus na sito mo.
Envy.
Guys, look. It's so much better in steak. Bola tayo ang pasapasahan.
Huwag na tayo mag-vlog nito. Ayaw ko na dyan sa lang.
Bigyan mo ko ba?
Okay. Bye guys, that's all for today.
Bye-bye!
Always remember to like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye! Bonus clip!
Oh my god. That's the bonus clip. Bye!
Bye-bye!